what's up guys, my name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to play Majaliwa, Elani. Well, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these tutorials. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a new tutorial. So well, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is only 3 chords. The key is G sharp and the progression is the progression is 2 6 5 2 6 5. So the key is the G sharp. So I will couple my first fret and then I will play the same chords, and I will play as if I was playing in the key of G. So in the key of G, of course, the 2 is A minor. So technically it's A sharp, but now I'm just assuming that I'm in the key of G, so I will just call it A minor. A minor, and then the 6 is E minor chord, and the 5 is D chord. So the A minor chord, I'm using my pointer finger on the first fret, counting from this where the couple is. So I will just assume the first fret is here. So pointer finger on the first fret, string number 2. My middle finger plays string number 4 on the second fret, and my small finger plays string number 3 on the second fret. String number 3 on the second fret, and then the chord that follows is E minor chord. So E minor chord is simply my middle finger playing string number 5 on the second fret, and my ring finger playing string number 4 on the second fret. E minor, and then D chord. Middle finger plays string number 1 on the second fret, pointer finger plays string number 3 on the second fret, and ring finger plays string number 2 on the third fret. So you can either play this form of D chord, or you can play this D chord here. So your small finger will be, if you want to play this version, then use your small finger on string number 2 on the third fret, pointer finger playing string number 6 on the second fret, and your middle finger will play string number 3 but on the second fret, or second fret too. So that D chord. So those are the chords that are in this song. So again, it's A minor, E minor, D. So this you will play the chords or the progression. The progression is the same from start to end. So that's how you will play this song. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area, and leave a thumbs up if you have learned from this tutorial. Just leave that like. So guys, with that, let's see each other in the next one. Ciao.